All right. So last thing I want to show you before we circle back to the giveaway is the new the new Hello Halloween. Don't know why I called it that. And happy. The new Hello Halloween mini book project kit. So this also went up on the website yesterday. I figured it just might as well make sense since we're doing a release. Might as well add that too. This will start shipping on Monday. It is all done. It is all kitted. I just finished the instructions today. And now the graphic designer needs to take my photos and take the instructions and make it look all pretty. So that's why it's not shipping till Monday. But we'll take a look at the finished project, and then we will take a look at the kit that you get when you purchase the project. First and foremost, it includes color step-by-step instructions. So my instructions are incredibly detailed. I'm very type A when it comes to that. This kit, there is not going to be a video class with this. And someone asked on social media yesterday, why am I not doing a class with this? And I said, I have so much travel coming up, and my fall starting mid-September all the way through November is so busy traveling and teaching. I have so much design work to do paired with so much travel. I couldn't figure out how to fit the class in for this, and it would be late September before we could do it. So you'll be good. I promise you. Anyone that's ever purchased any of my kits, in fact, a lot of people do them before the video. They just do them based on the instructions. So I did want to make that clear, and that is pretty clear on the website as well. Okay, as we look at that, using the new, this is a limited edition color, Simple Stories just released this fun new orange. They did an orange in the past. It was a much darker orange. So this is kind of a fun, nice, bright orange. Lots of fun things, pom-pom trim, little resin, spiders and bats and pumpkins and things that I've added to the kit. All right, as we get going, lots of interactive elements. I love doing the 2x2 pocket pages because I love just those little small size, doing some fun things with putting tags in some of the pockets. That little resin pumpkin is part of the kit. The little stars are part of the kit. More interactives. So a nice fun Halloween. It's not a scary Halloween. So this would work for ghouls night out during Halloween. If you do like an October daily, this would be a really fun one for October daily. If you have littles in your life, kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, friends, whatever it is, documenting their Halloween and their different Halloween activities with school programs and trick-or-treating and trunk-or-treating and different things like that. Or maybe like me, you have kids that are grown. This would also work great, just taking some of your favorite Halloween memories from the past and then documenting them, all right? This little guy, a little interactive element. This is one of my dog door oven doors, I call it. Dog door, oven door. Room for lots of photos. Little pocket there with some tags, photos, a little banner with a little pocket there. So lots of fun. Like I said, beautiful colors, a nice traditional color palette with a little color palette for Halloween, a little bit of mint and the fun kind of lavender, lavender. Amy likes the lavender. Another pocket here, tags going in that pocket. You could do photos or journaling and then cute little things on the back side, but your pockets are great for also adding more photos. Little interactive element here with our little witch. Lots of photos. This project uses the foam stickers from the Simple Stories Spooky Thing. So we'll take a look at the kit in a minute, but I just love the foam stickers that Simple Stories does. Always love. There is another one of those little resin pieces that's part of your kit, or that one's plastic, I guess. But this guy lifts up. So part of it is in your pocket page. Part of it is over. Another little interactive there where part is in and part is over. 2x2 cards on one of the 12x12 papers, which using in the 2x2 pages or 2x2 pocket page, but also a little page there. Another little interactive there. This one, I've done a pocket, but it sits on top of the pocket page. So sometimes when you have pockets inside of pocket pages, it's kind of frustrating because it's a little bit hard to get things out if you have to dig inside. But that pocket sits on top of the pocket page. So you have a couple of tags there that slide in the pocket. You have some really cute, just itty bitty kind of resin little bats that are part of the kit. So those little bats, they're kind of like enamel dots, but they're little bats. And then we kind of wrap it up with a French door interactive element. Room for photos and journaling there. All right, so there you have it. That is the Hello Halloween mini book project kit. Start shipping on Monday, July 21st, 2025. All right, so base of that project is the Simple Stories limited edition orange snap binder. With Simple Stories, the color of the spine matches the color of the contents. Oh, I just got a text from my graphic designer that works on the instructions for me, that formats the instructions, and said she just got them done and sent them over for me to proof. So you know what? It could start shipping tomorrow because everything is ready for that. So maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow would be Thursday the 17th. Anyhow, in that snap binder, you have 4 colored pages, 4 kind of officey pages, and then 10 pocket pages, 3 different configurations. So that's the base of the project. And then the meat of the kit. So as I mentioned, instructions come printed, color printed instructions in your kit, but they're not done yet. So your kit will have those, just not yet. As we take a look at what is part of that kit, the Spooky Things collection from Simple Stories. So you have the full collection kit, the full Monty here. You have all 12 by 12, you have all 12 by 12 papers. And then you also have the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet. So you get it all in the kit. You also have a sheet of my Mail by Mail 12 by 12 kind of graph paper. If you haven't seen this, this we released in May, June? I don't even remember anymore. But you can now purchase those 12 by 12. I've had the 6 by 8 for a while, but now you can purchase packs of 12 by 12, a pack of 10. So that's also in your kit. You have a 2 by 2 pocket page. You have the foam stickers. So 47 foam stickers, 2 different 6 by 12 sheets from that Spooky Things collection. And then you have the goodie bag. So the goodie bag has lots of fun little goodies in it. Now, I will tell you, if you get this kit, when you open the bag, be gentle, because if you start pulling things out, you're going to find spiders and bats in your house, all right? You probably don't want spiders and bats in your house, and you'll be sad because you'll be like, I didn't get them. And I'll be like, they were in your kit. Did you do this? And you'll be like, oh, yeah, I found one embedded in my carpet. So there we go, pom-pom trim, and that is what we used on the cover there. You have 2 yards of white string, so using that white string for the tags. And then let's dump these little guys out. We'll be careful. You have 3 gold foil stars and then a small gold glitter star. You have your resin pumpkin. You have your little plastic spider that is going on the spider web on your cover. You have the full spider web, and then those cute little itty bitty 3 little bats. All right, so that's your goodie bag. So that is the Hello Halloween mini book project kit, and it sounds like it may be shipping tomorrow. I know she is on the East Coast right now. She's traveling, and so it depends on when I'm done and how long it takes me to review everything to make sure everything looks good. But if she has a chance to do that before it gets too late where she is, then we'll have them ready to ship tomorrow. Otherwise, they will ship on Monday, the 21st.